Hello, good day to you. And this is the first demo for the printer's web portal of every event delivery. So when you log in, when you get to this landing page of the printer's portal, the first thing you want to do is to create an account if you don't already have an account. But if you do have an account, then you might want to log in. So to create an account, you click on the create account link, as you can see here. So you fill in your name. So let's assume your name is John Doe. You fill in your email. You enter your phone number. So I'm going to use a dummy phone number for this. So since I'm located in Nigeria, I'm just going to use the normal Nigeria format. If you're located any other place outside Nigeria, you might want to add your country code. So in this case, you can add +234 before the main number if you're in Nigeria, or you can just eliminate the +234, which is the country code, and replace it with 0. So in this case, I'll be using 0 instead of +234. I'm just going to use a dummy phone number for this. Then I will enter the password. I re-enter my password again. Then I ensure you are clicking and on this box to tick it and agree to the terms and condition. If you want to learn more about the terms and condition, you can just log into every event. You can just open up the website everyeventlivy.com to see the terms and conditions. So for this, I can now proceed to sign up. So now I have requested, you can see it's now requesting for a token. Now what you want to do is to go to your email and get the token, the 6 digit token that was sent to your email. Come here, input the token, then you verify your email. Once you verify your email, your account is set and ready to use. So if you can't find your email, you might want to check out these little tips that is added to this page. So you might want to check your spam folder, check your junk folder, or use another email or resend the verification link. So to resend the verification link, you can easily resend your verification link by clicking on this resend code text link. So when you click on resend code, the code will be resent. So it's saying user not found, possibly because the email I used was a wrong email, right? It's just a dummy email. So I'm just going to go back and log in because I already have a registered account. So I'm going to use my registered account. So this is a test account. Um, so you can see my login was successful. And you can see the first page you meet when you log into the printer's web portal is the home page, which is actually also your dashboard. So you can see we have about 6 statistics display cards when you land on this page. You can see the incoming, pending, completed. You can see the total and the total payout, total unpaid slash pending. So I'm going to explain this briefly. So for the incoming, these are the jobs that are pending your acceptance. So if you get a new print request, it is recorded as an incoming order. Then when you accept the print request, when you accept the job, it's now moved to the pending orders, right? So it's pending until you complete the order. So when you are done completing it, you mark it as completed and it moves to the completed orders, right? So similar to the earnings, right? So this is the total earnings and pending earnings. So why it is called total unpaid and slash pending is it's the total of both the completed orders that have not been that the payment have not been initiated, and also the orders that payment have been initiated but the payment are not yet successful. So most times you might find out that your payment has been initiated but there's a little bit of delay, so you can also see it on this card, right? So on the next card is the total payout. So this is the total amount you've received so far, you've earned so far working as a print partner with every event delivery. So for the last card, you can see the total end. So the total end is the total amount you've earned in total, but the total payout. So it's kind of conflicting, and I don't want you to confuse it for the order, right? The total payout is the total amount that has been sent and paid to your account, right? That has been sent out to your account that you might have added to the every event delivery platform. Now, the total end is total amount you've earned. So, what it simply means is that the total end is a combination of both the total payout and total unpaid. So, if you add up your total payout plus the total unpaid slash pending, it's supposed to give you the total end, right? So, because not all the amount you've earned might have been paid at every given point in time. So that is the essence and the of the total earned, to show you an overview of what you've earned in general from the platform. So we have the next section called the jobs section. So when you click on the jobs, you are going to see you are going to meet this kind of layout. So similar to what I've explained in the home section, where I explained the first three cards you see here, the incoming, pending, and completed. So these cards are displaying um, whatever is found on the job section, right? So in the job section, you have um, a display of all the jobs you have received, all the printing jobs you've received so far. And you can see the job section is categorized into three major sections. We have the incoming, the active, and decline, right? Similar to the cards as seen in the dashboard, right? So the incoming, just as you see displayed on the dashboard, where you see the total number of incoming jobs, right, as in form of a value. But on this page, this is where you now see all the jobs one after the other, right? And you also decide to either accept that job or you decline it. Um, so we also have the active. So this is the jobs that are currently, so under the active we also have two other sub tabs, right? So we have the in progress and the completed, right? So the in progress are you under the in progress tabs you can find the printing jobs that are you are currently processing or currently working on. So let's say, for example, you get like two jobs today, right? Maybe a customer from the every event customer web um, contracts you to print, to carry out a set of prints. The first place you're going to see that job request is under the incoming tab, right? So when you see it in the incoming tab, if you are good to go and you like the job and you would love to work on it, you accept the job. And once you accept it, in that particular accepted job moves to the in progress section under the active tab, right? So it means that you've accepted the job and you're currently working on it. So when you're done working on the job and you're sure that you've completed it, you will now come to this in progress tab, look for that particular job that you've completed. Then you click on the actions. You can see this is a table format. This table format is also used across all the major tabs, including the incoming, right? So you want to pay attention to the actions column. The action column allows you to manage that particular order or job, right? So when you click on these three dots, you can see it has two major options, right? It has the move to completed and it has the contact support, right? So when you click on move to completed, then you have marked that particular job or order as completed, meaning that you have informed the customer that you've completed the job. So if I click on move to completed, you can see it asks me for a proof of completion, right? So if I were to have completed this particular print, if I would have taken pictures of that's picture proof of the print that has been done. So that is how you actually complete an order. You have to take pictures of the prints that you've done, right, according to the specification as detailed in your catalog. We'll get right there very soon to talk more about the catalog. So you upload uh, the the proof of completion, which is the photograph of the prints, right? All the photograph that you can take, right, to convince your customer that you've actually completed his or a job, right? So you select the proof of completion, then you click on move to completed. Once you click on move to completed, that particular order will be marked as completed and it will move to the completed tab. So you can see I clicked on my completed tab. Currently, I do not have any completed jobs. That is why you can't see any completed job at the moment. So the final tab we have is a declined tab, right? So in a situation where you do not like the job or the offer that you've just received that is under the incoming tab, you can simply decide to decline this particular offer, right? So under the incoming, if I were to have a job right now, just look for if I were to have a job right now under the incoming tab, I would have gone to the actions section. And if I don't like the offer that that job or print work as with it, I can simply click on the action tab and select decline. And once I decline that particular order or job moves to the decline tab. It simply means that you've informed the customer that you will not be able to proceed with the order and you do not want to work on his or her job. So that is for the job management. And yeah, see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be talking about the catalog section. And if we have enough time, I'll also be talking about the payment section. All right.